A lot of people think peace means being alone, riding off, disappearing, cutting ties. And yes, some of us crave quiet, space, distance from the noise. But that doesn't mean we stop needing people. Humans aren't built to survive alone. We never were. And even the most introverted person still longs for human connection. Not to be liked by everyone, not to be accepted by everyone, but to share something that's real with another human being. A moment, a struggle, a truth, and know it actually really matters. See, out here in what feels like no man's land, it becomes clear what's noise and what's worth holding on to. See, wanting peace doesn't mean breaking human bonds. Sometimes it just means breaking away from the rat race so that connections that remains actually mean something. We stepped away from the noise to figure out what matters. Now we're building a space that supports that choice.
All of our installation.
Yeah, it's on the corner. See, inside the corner. Stuffed it all around here. Got it.
Some things we try to rethink and reinvent. We like experimenting, trying new approaches, seeing what works in practice. That's part of learning, part of finding your own way. But when it comes to structure, the walls, the way everything fits together, we realize some things are important to keep and not cut corners. We decided to stick with traditional home installation and cement board methods. It protects the layer above and below. Not everything needs reinventing. Some things are better done the way they were proven to work.
We'll do this. This one is 20. So this would be 18 and 3/4.
So we got this sink off Facebook Market for $40. It was brand new. You'd be surprised what people are selling on Facebook Market nowadays. There's a lot of deals on there. But it came with all of the drain holes and everything we need for plumbing. Even came with a basket too. Then we also got our kitchen cabinets off of Facebook Market. It's actually IKEA, but it was damaged, so we got it for $100. It was damaged right there. I'm not sure if you can see it.
Got a few damages on it in the bottom too.
But there's more damages, but it'll work. It's only for the van. We'll make it work. It's a pretty nice cabinet.
It has soft close.
There's two of us building this van. Although it can be done alone, it goes to show people are not always better off alone. We pick up where the other one lacks, and that's what makes our teamwork stronger. Each of us bring different skill sets, and we fill in the gaps for one another. Before cutting into the wood countertop, the first thing he does is drill out all four corners of the cut. This gives the jigsaw blade a clean starting point and helps keeps the cut straight from beginning to end. Drilling the corners also reduces tears and puts less stress on the blade, especially when you're working with thicker wood like this. He's using a drill bit that's slightly larger than the jigsaw blade, while taking his time to keep everything square and aligned. Once all 4 corners are drilled, he can drop the jigsaw blade in and follow the cut line smoothly from corner to corner. It's a small extra step, but it makes a big difference in how clean and accurate the final cut turns out. Plus, this is our only countertop, so messing up right now is not an option, especially when you're tight on a budget.
All right, guys, let's go see how much we got done so far. Let me see if you guys can see this. Let me open the door, get a little bit of light in here. All right, there you go. Got to do a little bit more framing. So this is where our bed's going to be, maybe TV inside there. All right, there's the sink we just put in. Let me open the side door for you. Get a little bit more light in here. Like they're open. All right. So that's the sink we put in. Yeah, look at that, guys. Pretty nice. So we got extra space for a cabinet, soft close. Underneath the sink, we should have all this right here covered up whenever we get done. So some more storage space down here. Still got to put our gray water tank and our freshwater tank down here with the pump. That's awesome. And that's the board that we cut. Put the sink in. We got this. So getting ready to put some backsplash up there behind the sink. When we put that up, we'll make another video. That's where our bed's going to be. And a sofa, I guess. So it'll actually transform into a sofa and to a bed. We'll stretch all the way out. Then when we're not using it anymore, we can actually fold it back and it'll turn into a couch again. Then probably TV on this side, maybe. All right. And our cabinets is going to be up here, right above. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.